For efficient use of space, the toilet bowl can be rotated 90 degrees either way. Before using the toilet, open the blade by moving the handle under the bowl left to right. Press the button on top of the toilet to activate the flush. There is also a warning light next to the button that comes on when the toilet cassette needs emptying. Always close the blade completely after each use. The cassette toilet is accessed from the side of the motorhome. There is an external door flap with a security lock which gives access to the toilet cassette. To remove the cassette, squeeze the orange handle and lift up to release it from its catch. The cassette should pull out easily. If it doesn't, check the toilet blade has been closed properly on the inside. Pull the cassette toilet towards you slowly, grabbing the top to lift it out of the locker. The cassette toilet has wheels and a handle. Squeeze the orange handle to release and pull up to create a pull handle. This makes it easier to take to a toilet waste disposal point. When at the toilet waste disposal or LSAN point, push the handle down and turn the pour-out spout outwards. Remove the cap and press the orange vent button with your thumb. Tilt forward the cassette with the pour-out pipe angled towards the waste disposal point until the cassette is empty. Add approximately 5 liters of water down the spout and replace the cap. Gently shake to rinse round the cassette. Remove the cap and pour out through the spout into the waste disposal point. Now slide off the cover and twist the dial to open the blade. You can flush the inside with a hose and then again pour this out through the spout. Next, add the toilet chemicals. Check the required amount of the blue additive and, using the measure on the pour-out cap, add this to the waste tank along with 3 liters of water. Once complete, turn the dial to close the blade. Slide back on the quick-release cap and screw the cap back on, returning the spout to its original position. Slide the cassette back into its exterior locker. Push until you hear it click into place. For winterization, it is recommended that the flush tank is emptied. At the top, on the inside of the cassette compartment locker, is the drain-down pipe. Pull this down and let this pipe drain out.